Hello friends, today and welcome to my channel A to Z Solutions. Today we'll see how to open a Google account. So first open the home page of Google and then on the first page at the right side top corner you will see a button sign in. Click on that button sign in. Here you can see the sign in or login page. As I have already made my account, so it is showing the name, so I will rub it. Here, as we are making a new account, new Google account, so click on the create account button. Here you will get two options, like for myself and to manage my business. As we are making a personal account, so click on for myself. Then fill this form to create a Google account. First, write your name. So here I will give the name as A to Z. Then you give the last name, whatever last name you have. Here I will write Solutions. Okay. So next is the username. Here it gives you different available options to give the username. AZ Salute 2 is the username which is suggested by the Google. So if you like that name which is suggested by, you can continue with that, or you can give the other username. I will give the other name hyphen at A to Z Solutions. Let's see if it is available. The next step is to give the password. So try to give a difficult password which is use more than 8 characters. You can use the mix of letters, numbers and symbols. So here I will give the password to the account. You have to enter the password 2 times to make it confirm that whether the password you have given is similar. The next, click on the next button. Here we can see that already the name which I wrote was given. The name is not allowed that. Okay, so we will change the name. Now let's see if it is available. Click the next button. Again it is not available. So as we can see that A to Z letters and numbers from 0 to 9 and only period, these are allowed. Hyphen or underscore is not allowed. So now let's see A to Z help at A to Z Solutions. That is the name, username which I am using here. So click on the next button. Yes, now it is available. We can see welcome A to Z, which the name I gave, and the email, that is help at A to Z Solutions at gmail.com. Here it is asking for the mobile number. So you give your mobile number here. After entering the mobile number, it asks you for the recovery email address. It is optional. If you have the email address, then give it, or you can just skip that option. The next, here you have to enter your birth date. So here select the month, whatever the date of birth, then day, and then finally year. Then gender you have to enter here, male, female. Then click on the next. It will provide you with a confirmation 6-digit code for the mobile number which you entered. So it will take at least 1 to 2 minutes to receive the SMS of that verification code. So if the number is correct, then click on send, and within a few seconds here we got that message. The code is G474241, 474241. So click on that and 474241. Let's confirm it. Here which code we received, 474241. That's right. So now next step is to verify your contact number or mobile phone. You can receive the notifications on your mobile phone. So yes, I am in. Click on that button. Here we have created some privacy terms. You have to go through these all, read these privacy terms, as I have already read these terms. So now I will click on I agree. So here our Google account is created. So you can use this Google account for various purposes. Here you can see at the right side corner, sign in button is not there. There is A, means A to Z solutions. So you can use this account for various purposes, like you can use Google Assistant, email services which are offered, and also you can use for searching, maps, YouTube, Play. There are so many. You can also use this account for Drive, to keep photos. There are so many options which you can use this Google account for. Now our Google account has been created. So thank you for watching the video. Please click on subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.